Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to update skills on Upwork profile. Why would you want to know how to update skills on Upwork profile? Well, maybe it is your first time using Upwork and not sure how to update skills on Upwork profile. So today I am going to show you how to update skills on Upwork profile. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. If you want to update your skills on Upwork to show your skills to clients, how you can do that? The process is very simple. First of all, open any browser. Type upwork.com in search bar. Now you are seeing your profile in right corner. Click on it. Scroll down. Here in the bottom you are seeing skills and also seeing pencil icon in front of skills. Click on it. From here, you can update your skills and then press save. There you go. If you wanted to know how to update skills on Upwork profile, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.